Alright, what's up guys? Before we get started, the giveaway winner is going to be announced at the end of this vid, so if you want to make sure you won, go check that out, stay tuned. But we're back with another accessories video. This one's a bit different. We're not doing fits anymore. We have a bedside rail kit, similar to the one Ford announced, but in the kit you're going to get the two rails. You can get them painted to any color that you select on the website or bare. You're going to get all the hooks, all the hardware, everything you need. All you need to install it is a drill or a screwdriver. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You gotta get in here, grab two of these, grab these. You're gonna come, so let's see, where's it logo right out there? That sounds good. So we want it in this one. You're gonna want to slide this in here like that. Is it this one? Yeah, something like that. Grab a screwdriver, get this one going. Alright, we're started. There it goes. Little technical difficulty. Alright, that's started. And this one we're gonna want on like that hole. So we're gonna grab this. Slide this bad boy in, stick them through it a bit, line them up, get our screwdriver on this shit. Got that one fast, see, easy. Don't know why I didn't pick up that drill. It's talking about. How you guys doing? Man, this one's got some threads on it. Alright, so for demonstration purposes, we're showing two mounts. There's a third one right here that we can do too. It's going to come with 6 screws and stuff in the kit, 3 on each side, but just to show you what we're doing, we're just doing 2 for now.
Trying to be quick.
Yeah, trying to not take all day, especially with that screw taking an hour and a half to put in. Then you get the hooks, right? So you're gonna take them, say you want one here, you're gonna put that bad boy in.
Yeah, let me get close on this so I can see what's going on.
Yeah, you get this. So you want the washer on this side, stick this in, turn it so that it's locked. Can they see it?
I think they can see it.
Then you just pull a little bit and tighten it down like this. So now you have your mounting hardware, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on. It's the same, and then we'll check back once that side's done. All right, so now we have both sides installed, both hooks. So these hooks can loosen and go wherever you want on this rail, but we're just gonna space them out like right here for now. So yeah, you can customize this. You can add more if you want. Just gotta get more hardware. But as you can see, like you can put bungees on here. I mean, you can do whatever you want on this, right? We're just gonna show you a quick demonstration purposes only. We're gonna get 2 buckets in here. Should I just blanket it?
Yeah, just put it like through the handle.
Again, this is demonstration purposes. The bungee doesn't really fit for these. Let's go like this. Say you want to add something tall, right? You can make this work. You could just go like this. Pretend this was like a
ratchet strap,
a piece of furniture or something. Strap it down. Or you can hit the crisscross applesauce on them like this, right? If you just center it up. So like if you had a couch in here or like a sheet of plywood, you could just run these across. If you had a piece of wood, you could like loop it around the wood and then go back to this hook when it's like up on the tailgate, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I can go get a piece of wood, show them that. I have a piece of wood. Just keep it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show them this one with a ratchet strap. of wood right here, right? This is a piece of wood. I think we can all agree. We've seen wood before. Say it was like D. And then you want to strap this. Get your strap going. Right on there. Whatever. Demonstration purposes only. Hit it with do a lap around town. Then you would grab this. I think you guys know how ratchet straps work. I don't need to show you. I'm not gonna do nothing serious here. Nothing you haven't heard or seen of before. Am I right, fellas? And you just tighten that down. And then all your wood would be stationary. You could do 2 of them crisscross. You could go from this to a bed point to one down here. Really, the possibilities are endless with this. So, if you want to get one, they are on our Etsy store, or go to Refined Truck. Use code 2randomscrubs for 10% off. And if you have any questions, want to see more stuff like this, let us know in the comments. Hope you like this. And now we're gonna go announce that giveaway winner. So I'll see you inside. Alright, we're on the 100 sub giveaway video right here. And we have 26 comments. Some people didn't ask for stuff, so we're just gonna put 26 in the random number generator and see who wins the giveaway.
Can't see.
God, what is going on?
Okay, 1 to what?
26.
26.
And the number is 14.
14.
Let's go see who 14 is, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This guy? That's him? That's 14?
That's 14.
Alright, sir, Mr. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Ches, bro. You wanted a dog bowl in blue? And guess what? You just won yourself a dog bowl in blue. So you can email me at 2randomscrubs@gmail.com for more information, and we'll get that shipped out to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the giveaway. We're coming up to 200 subs. 200 subs, we're doing another giveaway. So if you want to see another one, make sure you subscribe. And then we'll announce when that giveaway happens if we get to 200 subs. But thanks for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the vid. And Ches, I hope you enjoy your blue dog bowl that's going to be heading your way. See you in the next vid.